Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're diving into a true legend of Indian motorcycling history, the 2026 Yamaha RX 100. A name that needs no introduction, the RX 100 ruled the streets in the 80s and 90s with its raw power, lightweight agility, and unmatched sound. Now, Yamaha is bringing back this icon for a new generation, blending retro charm with modern engineering. Let's see how the 2026 RX 100 revives the spirit of the original classic. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha RX 100 retains its old-school appeal while adding modern touches for today's riders. The bike features a sleek teardrop fuel tank, round LED headlamp, and chrome-finished details that pay homage to the original. The compact frame, minimal body panels, and retro-style exhaust give it that nostalgic street bike character, while new alloy wheels and digital instrumentation bring a modern edge to its timeless design. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the new RX 100 swaps the iconic two-stroke engine for a refined 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder motor that meets the latest emission norms. Despite the change, Yamaha has tuned it to deliver that punchy mid-range power the RX was known for. With a 6-speed gearbox, crisp throttle response, and lightweight chassis, it's designed for pure city fun and agile handling, bringing back the thrill of the original in a cleaner, more efficient package. Safety and technology. Yamaha has equipped the new RX 100 with essential modern features such as front and rear disc brakes with ABS, a fully digital display, and LED lighting. The suspension setup has been improved for better ride comfort and stability. Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and gear position indicators enhance the overall riding experience, making it both nostalgic and practical. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha RX 100 is more than just a motorcycle, it's the return of an emotion that defined an era. By fusing classic design with modern technology, Yamaha has revived a legend for today's riders. Whether you love the old RX for its raw spirit or are discovering it for the first time, the new RX 100 promises to bring that same excitement back to the streets. Stay tuned to Highway Legends for more updates on the bikes that make history come alive.